Love never gives up. In a city that is ranked one of the poorest and most dangerous cities in America, New Beginnings continues to demonstrate love and compassion while restoring honor and dignity to those in need. Outreach teams go out daily distributing food, clothing, offering hot showers, and the ability to wash their clothes. The food truck picks up approximately 600 sandwiches each day from Wawa, Cheesecake Factory, and others, and distributes to those in need throughout the city of Camden. The 38-foot motorhome, retrofitted and equipped with 3 showers and a washer and dryer, allows the homeless to receive a warm meal, wash their clothes, and take a hot shower. It's been stated that hygiene is a major barrier to homeless people who often lose potential jobs or housing opportunities solely because they lack access to a shower.
I feel great. I feel like a new man. Smell good. My girlfriend's gonna be like, man, you smell good.
When I first saw the truck a couple months ago, I thought it was a joke. I didn't take it seriously. I didn't care about people being homeless. At the time, I wasn't homeless. I became homeless. Now I see how great this food and the truck and the showers are.
Understanding the power of collaboration, New Beginnings serves as a mobile service center that connects these precious men and women with other social service groups and outreach partners for more in-depth, personalized service. Some of our strategic partners are organizations like the Nehemiah Group, which offers job readiness, training, and placement through IEEE program, incarceration, education, employment, and entrepreneurship. Victory Men's Home, with a vision of restoring lives that have been broken by all types of addictions. Men are welcome into a loving residential atmosphere. Sanctuary Foundation for Veterans serves a large portion of Camden's homeless vets. The Veterans Administration state that the vast majority of homeless vets come from poor, disadvantaged communities. 45% suffer from mental illness and half deal with substance abuse. Youth at-Risk Mentoring Program, rescuing girls from the hideous crime act of human sex trafficking. They find placement for survivors in a secure and safe location. With the mission of ending homelessness in the city of Camden, showing love, supplying their daily needs, and connecting them with additional personalized resources, our goal is being reached one person at a time.
Look who I just bumped into. None other than Brother James Boggs. I'll tell you, I'm so proud of you, man. And you know, Tent City was, wow, how many years ago was that now?
8, 9 years ago.
Real quick, James was at Tent City there for a number of years, living homeless, but just wrong choices, made some bad decisions, but God got a hold of his life, doing real well. You're living in your own place now. You've been there how long now?
8 years.
8 years in his own place. Say something to all those that helped out as well with Tent City and to see where you are now.
The only thing I can tell you is God is not a respecter of persons. If you'll do it for me, he'll do it for you. All you got to do is just put your best foot forward.
And trust in God.
And trust in God. In fact, actually put any foot forward and trust in God.
Love you, man. Hey, God bless you.